It's hot outside, time for Laguna Beach.
Is it cold? Cohen! You can't find Cody? What about Parker? What about Parker?
I think they're with each other.
Go find them! Cohen already lost Cody. I think we found him. Cody! You want to go in the bigger pool? All right.
Have you been having fun?
Yeah, it was so fun.
There's Cody. That didn't look very fun.
I'm a big room.
You looked like you're going so fast on that slide.
Yeah, I was.
Are you guys going on the lazy river? All right, you better find me and wave to me.
I will.
Go, go. Hi, girls.
This is so refreshing.
Get the wave, get the wave. Woo, that's refreshing. The race has begun. Who is going to win? Cohen, Bria, Jordan, or Peyton? Cohen!
Get it, Toby.
Woo! You won!
That was so slow and this one was so fast.
You were like flying. You were flying.
Yeah, so it's going so slow. I kind of got stuck with myself, right?
And then you went.
So I was like going slow, right? I was like turning, I was going so slow, and then I just go, I'm like, oh my gosh! And it's pitch black, so I couldn't see anything. So like, I was like, I don't know if I was going up, down, I didn't know where I was going. And it's like this, ah!
Oh gosh.
I'm getting a little hot. I have an idea.
Go, Cody, go. Woo! Great idea.
Refreshing.
I think he said refreshing. Finally, Peyton came out. Peyton, it took you forever to come out. I thought you would never come out. Why did you hate it?
It was so slow, and then it was like pitch black, and then boom!
Yeah, that's what Bria said. Hi. Hi, Cohen. I think the kids are done. Are you guys done and ready to go home? You've been swimming forever. Are you guys done? Ready to eat food?
I'm so hungry. Let's go.
We're going to show you a flashback of what happened last time we were at Laguna Beach.
Oh, there's poop in the pool. Let's get out. Hey, let's get out. Ew. There's poop in the pool. That is disgusting. I'm getting out. Ew.
That is disgusting.
We are getting out. Someone's telling one of the workers and they're gonna clean it up and I'm getting out. That's gross. All right, they're gonna evacuate that pool area because there is poop in the pool. Gross. All right, they're evacuating everyone out. Everyone out.
Guys, out of the pool, please.
They're getting everyone out of the pool. Come on, Cody. Come on. Out of the pool. All right, let's go this way. Find Cohen. There's no poop in this side, hopefully. Are you getting tired?
No.
Not yet.
I'm not.
We had a fun time at Laguna Beach, and now I am here at my sister's house, babysitting. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Hi.
He's really trying to get in it.
You want to see the camera? He didn't get to be in the camera, Joel. He didn't get to be in the camera. Oh, he's so sad. You're not in the camera either, Haley. I can't see you. Oh my goodness, we have little kids helping all over the place.
Whoops, there's not enough plates.
We got baby ready to eat. We got some hot dogs going on. It's hot dog time. Breanna is making this yummy thing. Yummy beans.
Time to feed the baby.
Baby, are you ready to eat? Oh, he's ready. Oh, he's following it. He's following it.
Completely glued to it.
Look. Come here. Here, let me help you. Oh, Joel, he wants you to help him.
It's a drink and a movie.
We have a pee accident. Okay, that is taken care of, and now time to watch the movie again. Are you enjoying the movie? How you drinking? How's the drink coming? Okay, the rest of my family's leaving early because it's bedtime. Bye. Hank, say bye. Bye. I'm staying here though. Give them hugs. Oh, the hugs. Bye. Oh, next hug, next hug. Who's it gonna be? Who's the next favorite? Oh, it's Cody. Who's the next favorite? Oh, who's the last favorite? Oh. Just kidding, Bria.
Time for me to hug Cody.
Haley's hugging you. Oh, I'm staying here though. Oops, dropped my phone. Okay, bye family. I'll finish getting these kids to bed. Bye, love you guys. Oh, now he's sad. Okay. Oh, Bria, he hates when you leave. Okay, Hank. Hank, come on. Come on, we stay in here.
Stand here. It's warm out there.
It is warm, but the sun's going down. Okay. Okay, bye, Bria.
Bye.
Love you. See you soon. Is that sad? Yes, I'm staying here with you. Because your mom's not here yet, huh? Oh, I'm stepping on your blankie. Oh my goodness, your hair is sticking straight up. Haley, let me see your hair. No, take your blankie off. Let me see. Look. Oh my goodness, staticky hair. We had such a fun time at Lagoon and had such a fun time with my nieces and nephew and my kids' cousins. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, give this video a big thumbs up and comment below, and we will see you guys next time. Bye everybody.